This video is about how to create a side-by-side competitor ranking report from a Linkdex export CSV file. We're going to assume that we already have the exported file downloaded. We're going to insert the new sheets, find the file here, open, and it's going to churn a little bit. Now that we have the data here, we don't really need to do anything. It's just automatic. Just click import. Once it's churning a while, it imports here all the data into a new tab. So first, what we're going to do is get rid of a few columns, the ranking configuration and the date of check. Not necessary. Then I'm going to keep the rank and delete everything after that. So if I expand the columns, I'm left here with all of the keywords, all of the competitors, and all the rank, but the keywords are listed one after another, and then with the competitors one after another below. This is not very useful data, so what we need to do is create a pivot table. I found that it did not work very well clicking this area here to select all the data. So what I'm going to do is just start on A1, do a shift select as I'm paging down. There's about 50 keywords with 20 plus competitors. So when I have all the information highlighted here, I go to Data, Pivot Table Report, and we have to configure it. We add first the rows. I want the keywords to repeat along the rows as such, and expand that so I can see better. I don't show the totals. Then we want the domains as the columns across the top. There's all the competitors, one after another. So as for the values, we want rank. So that churns for a second while it populates. So there's all the ranks for all of the competitors. I like to center the data and then uncenter the headers and the keyword row. So there we have all the keywords. Nothing's repeated. There's about 48 keywords there, and all the competitors along the top. So this is in a new pivot table tab, and the data, the raw data, is in this tab here. So since this is linked to the raw data, we can't move the columns. For instance, if I try to drag this over here to sort them for some reason, it just jumps right back. So to resolve that, I just do Control A, select all, and Control C to copy. I create a new tab and right click, paste special, values only. Now we can do whatever we want with the data. For instance, move the client over to the left and sort different competitors. Then we can view, and we could freeze two columns so that the client's rankings, we're just pretending this is our client here, is always visible no matter what competitor ranking we're viewing as we move over to the right or left. In the same way, I will freeze one row so that as we scroll down and see all the different keywords, we can still see what competitor is showing. There you have it.